All right, hi Fletcher. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you where your hands go for the jazz right hand part, and then we'll practice doing it. But I'm gonna put the camera down, um, and so I think you had the star was this. You got E and B flat, and then I think it was the circle for the F. You go down. You take each one of them down. So this goes down to A, and then your thumb goes down to E flat. But you go down to it, but you also kind of move your hand up. So you go from E and B flat to A and E flat. And then you go back up. And then you go up a half step. So this goes up to B and this goes up to F. And now you've got to skip back down a whole step. So this comes down to A and E flat. And then back to this. So I'm going to go through it one more time. And I'm going to imagine, I'm going to just kind of sing the little bass line so you get the hang of it. And then I'm going to make another video that's just for you to play along with. So here we go. Boo, boo. Let me get those notes. Boo, doo, 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 and down. Do, 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 back up. Do, 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 and up. Do, 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 and down to do, 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 back to home. Do, 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 and then it all starts over again right there. Okay, so look for the second video, which I'll go through it 2 times playing, but you won't really be able to see my hands as well.